Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be discussing AppPrototyper, where you can turn your ideas into high-fidelity interactive mobile app prototypes. AppPrototyper represents the first step in your mobile app development cycle, which is the design. Same as all of our Telerik platform tools, AppPrototyper works fine on its own, but better with others. Therefore, if you combine it with App Builder, you'll be able to save a significant amount of time. Let's go ahead and have a look. Let's log in into the platform.telerik.com. For this demo, I already created a new workspace in advance called Airline Workspace. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create a new AppPrototyper project under this workspace. As you can see, we can target different devices from phone or tablet or desktop. And for each one of them, you can choose between a predefined size or you can create your own custom size. Let's stick with the default one, phone and iPhone 5 as a predefined size. Let's give our project a name, let's say Airline Prototype. And now we are ready to create our project. As you can see, we can start by either uploading new screens or create a new blank screen. Let's start with from scratch and create a blank screen. Let's give it a name, let's say home. And now if I double click on it, I can start designing my first screen. At the left hand side, I've got the toolbox where I can add some controls. We have specific ones for iPhone as well as for Android. We have also the option to go ahead and upload your own images. I already uploaded one in advance. At the right hand side, you can change all the settings from the target device to the predefined size. As well, you can show the grid so it will make it easier for you to align all of your controls. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some controls. Now that my two screens are ready, I can implement some navigation between them by clicking on the link at the top, highlight a specific section on the screen, and then link it to another screen. Let's go into the Contact Us screen, highlight the backlink at the top, link it to the home screen, and then do the same for the Home tab at the bottom, and link it to the home screen as well. Now that all my changes have been saved, I can preview my prototype by clicking on the Preview button at the top right hand corner. I can navigate between my two screens by clicking on the Home tab or the Contact Us tab as well as the backlink at the top. What can I do with this prototype? I can go and share it with my work colleagues or with my manager by sending them this URL so they can preview my prototype, as well as they have access to add comments by clicking on the comment at the top, highlight anywhere on the screen, and then they can either ask for some modifications or they can simply approve my prototype. I can check these comments, reply to them, mark them as resolved, as well as delete. Now that my prototype has been approved and the design step has been completed, I am ready to start building my mobile application. So let's go back into the Airline Prototype project where I have the option to export my prototype to a hybrid template. Before exporting it, I would like to mention that in some scenarios, you might have two or more screens targeting the same page or view. In this case, what you can do, you can create an export tag. So let's say home tag, and then flag all the screens targeting this page with the same tag. Now we're ready to export our prototype, and here we have the option to export by tag or by screen. I'm gonna choose by screen as we only have two simple screens. And then we have the option to choose between the tab strip navigation or the custom navigation. I'm gonna choose the custom navigation because we already implemented some navigation between these two screens, and now we're ready to export. As you can see, it's gonna download a compressed file into my local machine. Now I'm gonna go into my hybrid mobile application project built in App Builder, and instead of starting from scratch, what I can do, I can right click on my project, choose Add from Archive, and then navigate to the same directory where I downloaded my Airline prototype, and then upload it. Yes? So that means that instead of starting from scratch, I can start my development step with the prototype that I just created. Thanks for watching.